Hello and welcome to Slimestagram. Today we are going to be making a fun and easy DIY ocean slime. For this DIY, you are going to be needing some regular clear Elmer's glue mixed with a bit of blue food coloring. You are also going to be needing some medium-sized foam beads and some blue glitter. To get this DIY started, you're going to need to pour your glue into a bowl. And because you might have some leftover glue in your container, you're going to pour your water into this container. Mix it around a bit. And then pour this in. This will turn your slime into jiggly slime, which is really good because we're talking about the water and all of the waves. Now all you need to do is mix this together. And if there is any, you can still add in the excess glue that was in here. Now you will add in your foam beads. These I purchased in a big bag at Michael's for $1.99. Now that you added those in, you're going to mix them in. After that is in, you're going to be adding in your blue glitter. This I purchased in an assorted pack of 8 at Walmart for $1 to $2. You can add however much you want, whether you want it to be more sparkly or less. And you don't have to add this in at all because of course it is optional. Now you're going to mix this in. So far it's looking super pretty. Now if you want, you can still add in some more glue, maybe even some more food coloring, a special scent. For me personally, I'll add in this scent called Sugar Spice. I purchased this for $2 at Walmart. And it comes in 1.86 fluid ounces. Now you're just going to mix this all together. And again, right now you can still add in some more optional things. Like I think I might add in a little bit of white glue just to give it a special little touch. But of course you don't have to, this is completely optional. Now you're going to mix it all together. And now we're going to add in our activator. Today I'm going to be using contact solution and baking soda. So you only need a bit of contact solution and 1 or 2 pinches of baking soda. Now once you add those in, you're going to mix it together. And depending on how much water you added, you might have to add in some more glue just in case it doesn't fully activate at first. But again, this is completely optional, so you don't exactly have to do it. Now you're just going to add in some more activator. You can add in however much you want depending on how sticky or non-sticky you want this slime to be. So right now I just wanted to talk about this glue. This glue is from Crazy Art. It's washable school glue in 4 ounces, and I bought them for 25 cents at Walmart. This was an amazing deal because usually glue in 4 ounces of Elmer's can cost around $2 to $4. Now our slime is starting to come together. Now you're going to keep mixing, and you might have to use some strength depending on how much you made. This looks great. Now you just need to keep mixing and maybe add in a little more activate. And because of all the water we added, it is going to be jiggly slime, which is really good and fun to play with. Now that most of the slime has stopped sticking to the spatula and bowl, we're going to take it out and knead it. Now it is going to be a bit stretchier and stickier because of the water that we added, but that's okay because if you keep kneading, it'll be less sticky. Now the slime looks super good. So now we are going to add in some more glitter and foam beads, just to give it another special touch. So again, I purchased these foam beads in medium size for $1.99 at Michael's. You can add in however much you want depending on how much foam you want in the slime. And this again will help with the texture of the slime. That way you can make it however you like. The slime is really stretchy and really fun to play with. It's very pretty because of all of the foam beads and the glitter. It's also very stretchy. That's what I really like about this glue, is that it's really stretchy and that it doesn't require a lot to make the slime. Thank you for watching. I'm Sophia with Slimestagram, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.